every time you just spank your case. Did I say you're tired?
Yeah, there it is. That sure is a big tiger. He's a friendly tiger. But I'll bet he has a nice big roar. I was right. Will you help us surprise our friend Rocket? Let's help the tiger.
There he is.
Rocket.
Oh, shh. I can't know where they stack me, eh?
So we can roar and surprise the Hiccups away. Let's creep like tigers.
Creep, reach and dial. 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 Keep on the way.
That was some sneaky creeping. That was a loud roar.
Seriously, eh? Let's get it. Jazz. Right, who beat the streets? You're right. Streets are here.
Now what should we do? Well,
Simple said it stop it with the hiccups. The tiger roared and it stop it with the hiccups. The cool beating sneeze. The art gonna we the all out.
I've got it. A geyser. A geyser? A geyser? What's a geyser? It's a hole in the earth that shoots out water high into the sky. A geyser will be the biggest surprise ever. Perfect.
Alright, so rocket. This is the sorry.
Planes and jets are lining up at the starting line. The race is going to start soon.
Don't worry, rocket. Sneeze like hiccups is there. Day cool to make it outside. There is one this thing with the stage, the curry around. Came with the CS to look with the Levy. What's going to happen? It's like a great outside. This thing. We could stop to make noise, splash into the water. Rocket, let's practice. Keep it learning answer. Listen to music. Spare it down.
Oh, Rocket. Come sit over here. Yep, right there, Rocket. That's good. Okay, get ready to
Oh, this is the end now. Rocket runs it over right of water. I can't do the effects. There's the weapon. Who beat the streets? Yes, it's still there.
What do we do now?
Here goes Steve. No, no, no. Oh, don't go now. Wait.
We've got to stop these hiccups soon. The race is going to start.
Sorry, Rocket. Let's sneeze. Focus on the feels like a cat around.
Little mouse. Whoa,
Rocket, where are you going? Come back.
it was just a mouse. Rocket, that little tiny mouse surprised you?
Oh, let's try it again. Groovy, make this sneeze. Rocket Hiccups. No, do not go. Groovy the sneeze. Rocket the Hiccups. Auto tune.
Yay! Come on, we've got to get to that race. Thank you, little mouse. The race is starting. We have to catch up. Go, Rocket, go! We need your help.
We go to
To help
the lead
Rocket
or
go
faster.
Pat your
Patting the
head.
hands to the music.
Rocket is zooming across the globe. He's behind, but he's catching up fast. Rocket has
Rocket
to
is
go
going
down
to
the
the Apple Tower,
Eiffel
parents.
Terrace.
Jason, we're going to the Apple Tower.
Yeah, there it is. Go, Rocket. Now we're heading for the pyramids in Egypt. Go, Rocket! Hooray! You're almost there. Whoa, Rocket is passing airplanes left and right. Keep going. It's the Colosseum in Rome. Look, there's another plane. Woohoo! Rocket has the plane. We're catching up. Wow, the Grand Canyon is so big.
Go Rocket. Ah, I have it. Oh, yeah, see.
Pass that plane. Hooray! Rocket is passing everyone except
Bitch, shit. Rocket gonna go past it, yep. Rocket is the lead.
Rocket is in the lead.
No, no, bitch, oh, no. Rocket is the lead. Lead. Rocket. Rope to the rap with it. Let's see the large. Rocket is playing music. Rocket, where's the race? Bitch, you lose. Oh, amazing. Like, who's gonna you got you Rocket?
Rocket, that was awesome flying. You're welcome, Rocket.
D.I.
Let's see, Rocket.
Always, I can't steal that here. This is what we're gonna use now. Mission comments. Who's ready? Breathe us. Here we go. What? See, D. Let's
Let's clap for Quincy.
Happy to you. Grab your heart. It's a what happened? What a big match again.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for.
What's going on?
The music we heard today.
Bounce! I said bounce!
You helped a lot today.
Give me a sub. Daddy, a child. See you soon.
Cool.